All right, I'm gonna show you how to install a new weather cover on your gate opener. This one's been on for almost 5 years, and it's a little bit faded, but it's held up well. So let's see what the unit looks like under all of this. It's been nice not having to do anything with it for so long. Once I discovered that these covers are really the key to keeping them working and keeping the water and rain out and the ice. Yeah, it sure has been nice not to having to fix this thing every 2 or 3 months. You know, it won't stop from a direct lightning hit, of course, but the main reason these things fail is water intrusion. They just don't design them well enough. Water gets in there and then they fail. Comes in through the front, you know, it seeps in through the sides, especially when it sits in the sun without any protection on it. Tends to bow and warp. Moisture gets in, comes in the back to where your wires are. You know, and just keeping something as simple as a cover on there that diverts the rain, keeps the ice off of it, and you know, just keeps weather off it in the sun. Makes these things last a hell of a lot longer. I just wish I would have figured this out a long time ago. I've fixed so many of these things. But what you want to do is just untie the little knot and pull out one side of the clip on each side. I have to keep one in there. Back. Go. Off. Stick one through. There we go. So on this, the Velcro goes along the top. And this should fit many different gate openers, not just the MightyMule. This one's a 360. I think I've had a 350 in the past and a bunch of other ones. They're all basically the same size. This one's actually a little bigger. So we made this a little bit bigger to accommodate a lot of different sizes. There's drain holes at the bottom. What you want to do is just come up over it like this. Take the string and put it back through. So you have 2 of them going through. And then just close the Velcro along the length of it, keeping the Velcro on top. I'll just get this on the back just to hold it. Start here. Pull it up a little bit. And then once you kind of get a little bit of that done, then right up here, just cinch this up. And the beauty of this is what keeps the extra moisture out. It acts like a little squeegee. So when this opens and closes, it's squeegeeing that water before it gets to the inner seal, which dries out. And I like to just tie a little small knot on the outside once it's cinched, and then just do the rest of it. Just keep it aligned right down the middle. Like that. And when you get to the back, same deal. Just put the strings through the retainer, squeeze it, push it through, cinch it nice and tight, and keep more of that moisture out. So I just like to tie this loosely. You don't have to tie it tight because the cinch will hold it. And that's it. Just takes a couple minutes to do, but you know, it saved me a lot of trouble. Everybody that's had these has raved about them. That last one lasted me almost 5 years on there. I haven't had to do anything to this gate opener. It's just amazing. Knock on wood, knock on metal. Good luck with it. I think you're really gonna see the benefit and enjoy it. It's cheap insurance. Thanks for watching. You can find a link at the bottom of this video to buy it also. Thank you.